building for...
Waffle Bar located.
Oh, right there.
So, okay. It's the place that we're looking for here on the directory here.
Oh, we have to go that way.
Oh, okay.
Not this one.
This is Yale here with another vlog video. This time we're going to be visiting a village called Tivoli Village, located in Summerlin, Las Vegas. And within it, we are specifically going to a waffle style restaurant called the Waffle Bar Café. It's like a town square mall area. So the cards here, Valentine's. Ladies and gentlemen, we are here at the Waffle Bar Cafe, and this is going to be my first time here. Let's see what we have here. It's time to get a little bit creative. Okay, so I'm going to go with the pepperoni pizza, which is pepperoni and mozzarella with marinara, and a house of salad or waffle fries. So I'm going to choose the waffle fries. Then my team members here, we got one that's going to go with the supreme, which is strawberries and bananas topped with whipped cream with extra chocolate. And finally, we're going to have the chicken crepe wrap, which is chicken, pesto, tomatoes, almonds, and lettuce in a house-made crepe.
Good? Just let me know, okay? My name is Sasha.
Oh, thank you, ma'am.
What is this? It's a waffle fry.
You got the
Smells good.
chicken. Yeah, it smells good. Awesome. You got your chocolate extras right there. All right. Look at my waffle fries. Good choice, man. Either way. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video about the Tivoli Village and the Waffle Cafe bar that's located within it. And until the next time, people, peace.